Hello friends, in this video I will replace the battery of this JBL speaker. Let's begin. So I've ordered this battery from China. Let's see what we have inside. We have a toolkit to help you replace the battery, and here we have battery. This is the old battery. As you can see, it's very fat and you cannot use this battery anymore. I hope that you have seen my previous video when I replaced this original micro USB charger connector with USB-C. And so I can use this speaker. I had to make an improvisation with these batteries. But now it's time to replace the battery with original one. So let's do it. So after you take out this cover, you should take out also this cover. After that you should unscrew this, and here we have the battery connector. Now a very important thing: before you replace the battery, you should check the colors of the wires, because there are two types of batteries. Can be plus in the left or minus in the left, and you should assure that wires are in the same position. As you can see, this is a good battery for this model. I have to say that this improvisation keep me 2 weeks, more than 2 weeks, listening more than 1 hour of music in a day. Now I am curious about this battery, about this capacity. First of all, let's measure the battery. Now let's replace the battery. I don't remember how is the position to put this back, but somehow I will manage it. This connector can be put only in one way, so I think this is the position. Now, as you can see, we have 3 lines. Let's connect a charger. So it seems the battery is working. Now I will put everything back. So I've put everything back. Now let's make the final test. I have 3 lines. Now I will fully charge and I will test the capacity. And I will write in the comment if this is a high quality, if this battery is as good as the original one or not. If you have any questions, please put in a comment, and if you made it so far, please give a big like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.